Hello. Blue Space Highland is a new charity aimed at key workers and the people that they support. Now, recent figures from various public sector human resource departments would suggest that there are...
Hi, what are you up to?
Well, nothing now. I was going to do the mission statement.
Okay. In that tie?
Oh, it,
Sure.
it looks professional.
Okay. So, what is this all about? Your public sector absence figures and
Well,
all?
you know fine, over half of absence in the public sector is related to mental health. Now, actually, according to a recent study that
Stop. What has all this got to do with Blue Health and our mission?
I'm painting a picture of the problem. People need to understand what's happening.
The problem is stuffed shirts.
Okay, well, public sector workers sometimes have to wear uniforms, and that kind of formal dress
Yes,
is part of it.
absolutely, but not when they're taking time out.
Yeah, but they can relate to someone who can empathise with them.
Do you wear that shirt when you go paddling?
Of course not. I've got a dry suit for that.
And do you tell your groups about public sector absence figures and stuff?
Well, no.
What do you tell them?
What about nature and stuff?
Nature and stuff?
Yeah, like the birds.
So why the formal tone, all these facts, figures then?
Well, do you know, people who work in the public sector are used to a structured way of thinking, so they need to have that kind of, that...
Yeah, but we want them to enjoy taking time out, don't we?
Well, but they have to understand how it works, and that's the point. They really need to get an understanding of
You
where...
mean the Blue Health?
I do, yes. Mm-hmm.
So, how does it work?
Well, on a purely neurological level, the emotion centres of our brains are relaxed by the release of hormones and other chemicals.
Stop.
There's good science to this.
But it just sounds like you're trying to prove a point.
How do you mean?
Well, what do you say to people who about enjoying, paddling and, when you're out and about?
Well, it gives them time to relax, and they enjoy the social side of it. They talk about connecting with people, connecting with nature. There's strong evidence to support this. Exeter University have an excellent report from 2007.
You started off so well.
Well, people don't always accept that Blue Health is real. They see it as some airy-fairy spiritual nonsense. They think it's all whale music and crossing your legs. And
What's wrong with whale music? Airy-fairy?
well, nothing. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it. It's just that people like me find it easier to accept when there's a scientific explanation.
People like you? So how are you going to approach this?
Well, we'll offer a structured session based around evidence linking mental health strategies to the process of learning new skills in a water-based environment.
You mean we're going to teach them how to go paddling and they're going to enjoy it?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
So why is this all important then? Why?
Well, so we'll do it again, basically, so, yeah.
Okay, so how are you going to present all this evidence so that they're going to enjoy it?
PowerPoint?
PowerPoint on the water?
Before we go on.
You want us to do a PowerPoint before we go paddling?
Well, so they know why they're doing it.
Are you going to wear that tie to do the PowerPoint?
Probably not.
We could just post all this on the internet. People can read it at their leisure,
And some of the empirical evidence that I've collated as well.
If you must, yes.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay.
What will we do now, though?
Well, we go paddling now.
Yeah, okay.